Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. It's pretty nice. You see the effect, everything is nice. So let's see how we can create that. Okay, you see this shape is something like this. I want to give you an insight. Now let's start that creating that. At first we need to insert a tree of this one. And after creating one, round it up and increase it to the size you want, for example like this. Then hold Ctrl and Shift and create 3 copies of that. Press Ctrl A, go to shape format and align them center and middle. Why middle? Middle because we can align them another time and better by holding Shift. Okay, now insert a shape, a rectangle. Press Ctrl A and make them combine. Don't forget to format the background and set the color to black for all the page. Now we have it, make it white. It's the better color, best color. But you see it has some effect like this. How I create them? It's easy. You need to go to shape format and from here shape effect. Change the effect you want. For example, something like this. And then paste the text. And the important thing is that these 3 texts are here and in black. The black text are here. Now, what we should do, we should create an here rectangle and color it white and the shape outline none and send it to back. You see to look like this. But as you can see, when we bring it here, the effect that we see here is gone. It's because we didn't choose the right effect for this thing. If you want, you can go to shape outline and choose another thing that's going to be visible after that. So let's copy that and bring it in. And then set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. I hope you enjoyed. I'm Ali and this Learning Star, and this is the end of this video. Have a nice time.